Okay, so coming to the maintenance, the product uh, which is under the design focus, yeah, it should be designed for easiness of maintenance and service. Yeah. So it's an important uh, parameter or the design consideration from the customer standpoint, because the customer is going to buy your product and then he is going to maintain it. Say for example, you are going to purchase a bike. Yeah, as a customer, you are not only critical or concerned about the product cost or the cost of the bike. Okay, so you are also concerned about the maintenance cost, how much it's going to cost you per year for maintenance. I think this is also a criteria which gets into your mind whenever you are going to make a decision for purchase, right? And what is the cost you are going to incur for the service, right? Let's also take an example of the connected vehicles, or smart vehicles. Okay, so even the service centers have to be smart. Yeah, so a lot of manual service was done in the past, yeah, which is automated now. Okay, so because of this automation, it also requires the advanced equipments, and the availability, and how easy is that kind of an advanced service station available. So you are going to purchase a advanced vehicle, you will also think about whether this advanced vehicle or the latest vehicle has the easy access to the service centers which has this latest technology. Okay, so while designing a product, it's very important also to think what are the maintenance costs this product is going to incur. Okay, coming to the manufacturability, I think this is very important, because personally I've come across a lot of superb designs, right, which could not be manufactured. Yeah, so as you get so serious and so deep into the brainstorming process, or the design um, uh, creation process, just into this iterative process, yeah, you forget one thing is whether the design whatever you are creating, whether it can be manufactured easily. Yeah, and based on the various constraints. Yeah, say for example, you are designing a product which requires 100 people to manufacture your product, and you don't have that capacity. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, so it's very important as a design engineer that you keep this thing in mind, that you need to design the product for the easiness of manufacturing, keeping the manufacturing constraints and resources. Yeah, you should also think about how the product is going to be manufactured, whether we have the particular resource for it, whether you have the machine for it. Yeah, it is also likely that for the design what you have made, you need to purchase a new machine, which may incur a lot of cost, and from economic standpoint it may not work out, most likely, right? So let's also think through the manufacturing aspects whenever we are designing a product.